meeting with interesting people in Pyramid Valley. So please tell me, this is interesting, here is father and son. There is another son also, somewhere else, but here almost all family. Mother is not here. Can you please tell me how you decided to go this way, searching, spiritual search? Your name, please?
Yeah, myself, Mallikarjun. Very nice to talk in front of this camera. Being we all are the human beings, there is a beautiful saying by World Health Organization that the nation which is spiritual, then only it can be totally said as a spiritual country. So in this way, I came to the spiritual life. So the spiritual life can't be experienced, it has to be experienced ourselves. It is the sweet, where the sugar can taste, then only we can tell whether it's a sweet or not. So by this way I am very happy with my spiritual life. I am really thankful for this wonderful Pyramid Association and all my spiritual friends and all my spiritual knowledge, wisdom.
But you belong, sorry I interrupt, you belong to one organization which is not Pyramid,
Spiritual Solution Center.
Spiritual Solution Center.
Yeah.
What does it mean? What is your goal?
So we, as per before I had to build that there is a God something in the temple, but right now we are the God over here. What we decide that will become true. So I think there is no more God. If we do correct, we are God for ourselves. If we harm somewhere, then we become the enemies or something for that.
Okay, this is understanding, but what you are concrete doing?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Yeah, we follow the principle of the Lord Basaveshwara, which was the greatest man of this earth on the 12th century.
Lord of
Basaveshwara.
Basaveshwara.
The greatest man, the spiritual revolutionary done in the 12th century. We belong to his principles, we are the followers of the Basaveshwara.
And did father start it first or in the same time father and sons?
Yes, basically we are from the agriculturist family, and my father is a spiritual person, and he used to tell stories of great saints and rishis of old ages, and he used to tell how we should be, what is the importance of morality and spirituality. Since beginning only, by childhood only, we born up like that one, and that made us to read spiritual books and listen pravachans and Gita, Bhagavad Gita, and all the sorts of books like relating to spiritual are attracting to us.
When you joined this movement, Spiritual Solutions Center?
Spiritual Solution Center, since 1 year back we came in contact with this institution, and at that time only we came to know about this pyramid
and meditation.
And meditation. We experienced a very wonderful experience it was, and doing meditation we experienced some personal experiences are there, therefore we started meditation since then.
Which meditation? There are different methods of meditation.
We started Anapanasati basically, and subsequently we went to Vipassana Deccan institution. It is in the Maharashtra state, and there Vipassana Dhyana is taught, and we there for 12 days, and it is a beautiful experience.
What is the difference between Anapanasati and Vipassana?
Anapanasati is observing the breath.
And Vipassana?
Vipassana is concentrating the mind and scanning the entire body and concentrating on the body. The effects of thoughts and effects of ideas and effect of the breath itself on the entire body.
Interesting. My master would say this is the same Anapanasati and Vipassana, because he said Buddha gave the greatest gift to mankind, and it is enough just to follow breathe out and breathe in. So, and they call it Vipassana. This is what I know about
Vipassana. Is what entirely, it scans the entire body.
Yeah, they are.
And it stimulates the inner
cosmic
energy. there is an energy outside and inside.
Yeah.
So Anapanasati gives us the energy from the cosmic. But Vipassana meditation gives us, increases our energy within. There is an energy inside ourselves, though it increases the
What
energy.
about awareness? You are talking all the time about energy.
Energy, and by that only we can enlarge our mind power and spiritual reality, and we can understand the truth, what is the real truth. So that.
How do you feel in pyramid when you are sitting there? Because you can do Anapanasati or Vipassana wherever you are. You don't need to sit in some special place.
So since 1 year we are in meditation, even though we are getting wonderful changes in our life, and we are happy.
How do you feel when you are sitting in pyramid?
In pyramids, while sitting, we feel very happy, and it is very, very wonderful experiences. And we feel sometimes we understand the physical body first, and then we have got some sukshma sharira, what we call it.
But what you are doing when you are sitting in pyramid, doing
We started Anapanasati.
so you just follow breath in and out?
In and out.
Or
in and
you
out.
are analyzing your body?
No. Anapanasati we do, and we'll feel that there's some cosmic energy entering through our Brahmarandra that is there in the head region.
So you really feel something?
And that energy flows through all the nerves of the body.
Are you feeling also?
Yeah, the same thing we feel. It's called as a Dara Pravaha.
Dara Pravaha.
Yeah, it's like cosmic rain over there, heavy rain.
This is wonderful. I must be frank and say that I don't feel this. We are in the same place, and don't you think that individual can differently feel in some place?
It requires some concentration. Only concentration on breathe, cutting the thoughts. Thoughts may come. We must concentrate on cutting the thoughts and coming in contact with the breathe. We must stay with the breathe.
Sorry, this is fine. Give attention to breathing. But I have heard that concentration is not meditation. So as you are doing concentration, then you are not in meditation.
Concentration means on observing the breathe.
Observing, yeah.
Observing the breathe.
Without tension, without mass.
Normal breath. Sitting like sitting in a particular posture and thinking so many things, and thoughts will come. If you go on with the thoughts, it will not. We will not feel any meditation. It will not be a meditation at all. Therefore, we must observe the breath, breathing, incoming and outgoing. Incoming, and our entire mind should be observing the breath.
What are you doing in everyday life?
Everyday life. First morning 1 hour meditation, and then 1 hour shuttlecock playing, and then puja, and
Are you working on in some office?
and then
or in
office. After 9:30 I will be in the office.
So you are not in agriculture?
I am a professional, a lawyer. I am a lawyer.
You are a lawyer.
I start my office at 9:30, and I will be there at up to 10:45, and then I go to court. And up to 5 there will be a court.
Do you feel difference after you started meditation and before in your job?
Yes, it has made wonderful changes in my profession also, because it is a lawyer's profession, it is a tension work, and we will have to think about the problems of others.
Yeah.
So unnecessarily we used to take tensions. Nowadays, after starting this meditation, I am taking it as a very lightly and very easily. I can handle the cases, and I can conduct the problems, because in a meditation, I understand that these are the problems there, and whatever the job I have to do is to do. And it will, ultimate result will be in the hands of the judges, and he will, my best effort is to convince the court and the judge. That's all. Though.
Are you working or studying? Arjun?
Yeah, I completed my studies last year only. I'm a professional. I work as a journalist in a reputed TV channel, TV9 in Bangalore. So after coming over for the spiritual, dedicating for purely, I quitted my job at this age only. Right now I'm serving for this meditation for entire people who comes around me. My job is to spread this message for everyone to do the meditation on this earth.
So you are full-time
Yes,
activist
dedicated for this thing only.
in
Yeah.
a spiritual solution
Yeah.
center.
Yes.
He used to tell about the
Meditation.
How it is material side, where from you get money to have for food, for
Yes.
living?
A very good question. Being the God has given everything and has forgotten everything, so there is no matter of the things to have earn the money. It's we have a sound party. We have the enough money to run our own sake. Then there is no more enough to earn the things. My message and my job is to spread the only meditation.
You mean you don't get money from organization? You have
Yes.
saved your own money.
Yes.
When this will finish?
I
then you
said
will work
there is a
again.
lots of water in this sea. So pick up one glass of water. It can't say that it will finish.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank
Some classes from the Spiritual Solution Center, that's all.
So you are not
Part of the
full-time practitioner or activist in spiritual solution center.
I will clear the point. As I said, we took under the classes of Sri Ramachandra Guruji.
Okay.
What the Guruji has given the message for us, what the Patriji has given the message for us, I am not attached with the particular group or organization. I am giving my own suggestion and own experience for the people. It's my own. No one are guiding for me, and I don't want to attach with anyone, because as much we are attached with anyone, the detachment starts over there. So I don't want to be detached. I want to be happy, alone and single.
Wonderful. Thank you, and
Thank you.
all success I wish you on
Thank
your
you.
part.